everyone. Today I'm going to show you like how to explode TNT, but it won't really explode anything. You could do this if you want to make like a server or anything like that. So I'm gonna get an anvil. So you'll need any kind of fence, anvil, and TNT. As you can see, I have a different texture pack, so my TNT will look different because it has dirt. It has a dirt face on it. So yeah, I think that's all you need. So let's start building. So you break one block, put it down right there. Yeah, it looks kind of weird. And add 1, 2, then add around it. You don't add all the way around it though. Then on. Then one more back. Come on. Oh my goodness. Sorry guys, it's just keys I'm skipping for some reason. And add that right there. Put one more right there. Then you gotta put a TNT on top of it. So then, and you have to get a flint and steel. Set the top TNT on fire. Don't set the bottom one on fire. Only the top one, or it won't work. Set it on fire. And look. See, look. It didn't explode anything. See? So that's how you do that. And I'll do it again. And then I'll finish this video. So, you gotta break the anvil to do it again. The anvil. Put it on top. Explode the TNT. Doesn't explode anything. See? That's how you do that. And, well, basically, I want to show you something really funny on this texture pack. I want to show you the zombies and everything, what they look like. So, I want to show you what the zombie looks like. Zombie looks like. I want to show you what the creeper looks like. And, hold on, guys. Show you what the creeper looks like. I want to show you what the villager looks like. I want to show you what chicken looks like. And then the pig. And I think those are the derpy ones. But so I can see how it's like derpy like that. Well, let me see. Let me show you clear. You can't really see because he's on fire right now. So add around it. You don't have to do this. I just wanted to show you because he's on fire right now. He just died. I think he did. Okay. So add around it. You don't have to build this. I'm just building this so I can show you what the derpy zombie looks like. So add that. Come on. Break those 2 blocks. I have to break a block for a second. Put him in. Gotta wait till he stops burning. Look, see, he's dirt. This is the, let me show you the texture pack, like what name it is. Wait, I want to show you the creeper and everything else too. Creeper's derpy. Wait, you gotta wait. You gotta, see, look at that. Did you see that? Did you see the villager? It's all derpy. And chicken, look at the chicken's face. Look at the pig's eyes. I think they have it for the cow, I'm sure. I don't know. Yeah, they do. Look, see? I'm gonna see if that sheep works though. I don't think it does. No, the sheep doesn't work though. Oh yeah, there's something else that was derpy. Oh yeah. No, not that. Crap. It was Blaze. Yeah. Look at his eyes. He's like, he looks kind of like the chicken and the pig. He looks like the cow and the pig. Oh yeah, and let me show you what this texture pack is called. I think you get it free. I gotta go and check, because I really think you do. It is, well, it's not on here right now. I just gotta go on my texture packs. Manage my texture packs. So it's vanilla texture pack. And put that back. And there's fancy. I spent money for that. Fantasy. I spent money for that. And they have plastic. I never spent money for that. They just have it for free. Oh yeah, let me show you what the... Wait, never mind. So let's see here. Let's go back on the world. See, then this is what plastic looks like. It looks way different. We got the cow, pig, chicken, villager, creeper, and zombie. It's on fire right now, apparently. And then this. I want to see what the heads look like. Oh yeah, and that other texture pack. All the heads that are like the creeper, Steve, the zombie, and the skeleton. Those are the ones that are derpy, but the with their skeleton skull isn't. So you can only do this. So you can only do the skeleton, the zombie, the Steve, and the creeper. Those are the derpy ones. The wither. Well, apparently the wither skeleton skull isn't derpy, but I'm kind of sad about that. But whatever. At least I got derpy things. Oh, what is that? Ew, rotten flesh. Ugh, I don't need that. Ew, let's see over there. Well, oh yeah, oh, no, never mind. Okay. I want to show you something really quick, actually. Wait, how much time do I have left? Okay, you know what? That's gonna be it for this video. And I'll show you what I was gonna show you in the next video, apparently. So, that's gonna be it for this video. If you like, make sure to leave a like and subscribe to my channel. And I'll see you guys later for some more videos on gaming and all that stuff. Peace.